Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of See You Serve Fresh Noodle Fridays. Today we're making something super simple and easy, and I'm making a stir-fried cabbage and glass noodles. So again, this is super simple. It's a dish that originated from Sichuan or northern China. We're using Sichuan peppercorns, a bit of red chilies that's going to spruce up the heat just in a mild way and in an aromatic way. A bit of green cabbage in there, a little bit of light and dark soy sauce, and there you have it. Honestly, this takes about 10 or 15 minutes to whip up. Makes a great side dish, or if you're like me, we can make it into an entree. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. We've got our lovely ingredients here. We're gonna start with some Sichuan peppercorns and 2 dried chilies, half a head of cabbage here. I've got some garlic, 3 bundles of mung bean vermicelli, soy sauce, and dark soy sauce. We're gonna begin by soaking our vermicelli noodles in cold water, just like so, and letting that sit. We're gonna remove and core our cabbage, begin to slice it like so, and you're gonna end up something like that. We're gonna have our garlic minced here. We're gonna use about 4 cloves of garlic here. I love garlic. About 2 tablespoons of oil in a piping hot wok. Add in your Sichuan chili flavors. Cut the 2 red chilies and then add in all of that minced garlic. We're going to be sauteing that over high heat for about 1 minute, and then we're going to add in and toss our green cabbage here like so. Once the noodles are soaked, drain the water and cut the noodles into smaller pieces, otherwise they're going to be really long. Add about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and dark soy sauce, and then toss it all together. Lastly, add in your noodles and make sure that everything is well incorporated, that the noodles get a bit of color from that soy sauce, and cook that for 5 minutes. And here we have it. Super tasty and easy. Enjoy. If you like this video, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell just at the top right hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you right next week. Bye!